The OUKITEL P2001 portable power station. Replace your old fuel generator with this powerful 2,000 watt-hour capacity power station and reduce your carbon footprint. The OUKITEL P2001 power station will allow you to solve any power demand issues indoors or outdoors. The 2,000 watt-hour power station allows you to operate anything you could from a home wall outlet without any worries, while enjoying clean, quiet power. The battery management system ensures the battery to operate intelligently and safely. This power station brings infinite options for you to have a great time with your friends and family. Fun has no limits with the OUKITEL P2001. P2001 gives you the flexibility to do whatever you want anywhere, while supplying you with the trusted power that you need. Power-hungry devices? No problem. This unit offers a constant AC output power rating of 2,000 watts and can also surge up to 4,000 watts. The OUKITEL P2001 can handle any heavy-duty tools without any worry. P2001 has adopted a super-fast recharge technology which can be recharged fully within 2 hours by a wall socket. You can simply recharge it by the home wall outlet, the car power port, power generator, or the solar panels. P2001 can even charge electric cars in an emergency situation. Power outage? No problem. Connecting the UPS, it will continue to provide reliable power automatically in any unpredictable outage. This unit also comes with a built-in 2-watt LED light. It has a LiFePO4 battery which has better safety and longer lifespan. The OUKITEL P2001 can power all your home appliances such as a TV, refrigerator, cooker, or any other device. Whatever your power needs are, the OUKITEL P2001 power station has got you covered.